My name's Alan Todd. I'm the Integrated Solutions Consultant for SunSouth, and I'm here to give you guys a little bit of information on our planter test stand, about meter setup and running the test stand itself. We're going to start with setting up the screen when you get the machine, when you get the hopper running. All right, we're going to start. This is how it's going to come up when you first turn the display on. You go to your ePlanter page, row setup. In this case, we have a flipper drive, but you can change it to ProShaft. That's very important. Seeds per revolution is the number of the holes in your plate, and set your row spacing on whatever your row spacing is. In this case, I've got a ProMax 40 corn plate on 36-inch rows. Always look and make sure your vacuum is 0. If not, you can relieve the vacuum pressure and accept it to 0, and it will offset that number back to 0. Go to your meter runoff. Set your seeds per acre, in our case, which is 30,000 because we're running corn single row, 5 miles an hour, and we're going to run 2,000 seeds, and just verify you're on 36-inch rows. Once you have your row unit set and all your adapters in place, you will turn vacuum power on. This is your vacuum control. You want your vacuum up here on the display to be set to whatever your plate recommends. You can usually find that in the planter manual itself. In this case, we're going to run about 18 to 19 pounds of vacuum, and we'll let it run through 2,000 seeds. It's showing our skips and our multiples, and we want our CV right here, this very bottom number, to be just as close to 0 as we can get. You can monitor your population, and you can monitor your average seed spacing all from the display. If you ever have a problem during the operation, you can always hit that gear button again and the row unit will shut off. This is an example of a meter that is not on the test stand. If you're ever running into any problems on the test stand, I'm going to give you a few things that you can check. If you've got a lot of skips, that usually means you're losing vacuum somewhere around this door seal or either this plate seal. There are incidences, if you're just now putting the flat plate technology in, that you must remove this clip and tighten this hub seal. You can reach and grab the drive on the back. Once you pull that clip out, and you can tighten this plate down, and that will eliminate some of your skips. If you have doubles eliminator of this style that does not have the knob in the back, you take a flathead screwdriver and go here, break this screw loose, and then you can adjust the doubles eliminator by this knob right here, and then you can just tighten it back down to set it. To avoid removing the plate, there's a notch that lines up with that flathead screw. Always check your knocker wheel for wear. And if in doubt, you have one row unit that's not running as good and you have already checked all these components, swap the door with another door of a known good row unit and see if anything changes. These are the new style meters that have the knob adjust, doubles eliminator. You do not have to take the plate off to adjust them. All you have to do is turn this knob tight or loose, and there's an indicator dial right here in the back that indicates where your doubles eliminator is actually set at. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any more questions or any concerns, just contact me or Russ. We're in the Integrated Solutions department. We can help you out with any questions you have. Thank you.